Neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. A chemical reaction in which a base or an alkali reacts with an acid to produce a salt and water only is known as neutralization reaction. Catalyst. A catalyst is a substance that either increases or decreases the rate of a chemical reaction without itself undergoing any chemical change during the reaction. Some chemical reactions need a catalyst to change the rate of the reaction in case it is too slow or too fast. Types of catalyst: positive catalyst, second negative catalyst. First, positive catalyst. When a catalyst increases the rate of chemical reaction, it is known as a positive catalyst. Negative catalyst. When a catalyst decreases the rate of a chemical reaction, it is known as a negative catalyst. Indicators. Indicators are the organic compounds with so characteristics colors in acidic and basic solution. For example, blue and red litmus, etc. Neutralization or neutralization is a chemical reaction in which acid and base react quantitatively with each other. In a reaction in water neutralization, result is there being no excess of hydrogen or hydroxide ions present in the solution. The pH of the neutralized solution depends on the acid strength of the reaction. In the context of a chemical reaction, the term neutralization is used for a reaction between an acid and a base or alkali. Historically, this reaction was represented as acid plus base, alkali, salt plus water. For example, HCl plus NaCl, NaCl plus H2O. The statement is still valid as long as it understood that is an aqueous solution. The substance involved are subject to decomposition which changes the substance inorganization state. The arrow sign is used because the reaction is complete, that is, neutralization is a quantitative reaction. Conclusion. Chemical